Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and welcome to issue 59 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from our good old mates over at DeAgostini. And this is the iconic 1/6 scale Partwork, folks. Now if you want to grab this and build this along with me, follow this link here. There's a clickable version in the description below. But that'll take you to the DeAgostini website where you can subscribe to this wonderful, wonderful Partwork, folks. Right, let's have a scoot through the magazine. The Shelby story, the Mustang's great rivals there. Other competing models, different rivals, manufacturers had their own take on muscle cars of the era. What we've got today, nice and simple, is the dashboard there. We're starting that, couple of little bits of grillage going in. We've then got to fold the tabs, so look closely at these. They've got little recesses in them. Get yourself a nice set of bending pliers. I've got these ones that have got a smooth face on them so they don't damage the material, folks. And they work an absolute treat. And this is what you're going to end up with, your dashboard with some photo etch in it. You then got the Mark 5 global car there. Some more variants, Mustang convertible. Interior shots there, the 2018 remodeling. And then you've got the EcoBoost version there, which is the Mark 6. And that's the magazine done, folks. So that's that one. We'll have a look at issue 60 as well. Similar thing there, the other sides of the Jeep. All the military bits and pieces going on with it. And then we got the glove compartment, fuse cover and the parking brake. So we'll put that in today as well, just to give us a bit more to do today. All the details there on what we're going to be doing, where it all goes, etc. So we'll be doing that. And that's what we're going to end up with as our final result, folks. You then got Formula 2. All the different cars there. The Lotus 69. Jean-Pierre Beltoise leads the 1968 Formula Grand Prix. There you go. And Ron Harris's Team Lotus that Jim Clark and Mike Spence are pictured or raced with in the 1964 season. So we'll do 2 issues today for you, folks. So we'll grab all of our bits and bobs and we'll make a start. Right, we'll get the old dashboard going and get our bits of photo etch out, which are there. And what we need to do is we need to bend these tabs along these lines. See the little lines? Just in there. So just get your pliers right on the edge there and bend that up. You can use your photo etch bender if you need to, folks. I just find these little god hand folding pliers just as good. Like so. Same the other side. Tips lined up with that line. And then work my way around. Do the same with that one. And the idea for this is that these are going to sit on top of the dashboard unit and close off the vents, okay? So we've got that. So we'll get that in place. You can see that I've been ahead and done one already. I'm going to just want to put these in these little slots. Now take note, these ones are closer to the edge than these ones, so make sure you're getting them orientated correctly. The shorter gap goes to the little recess in the middle, and they're going in now. And I like to do them as a nice resistance fit on mine, just personal preference. And then whilst I've got my folding scalpel, I can then fold these edges over, which is what the other lines are for, folks, okay? just like so. And that's in place there, and then do the same on that side and that side there as well, like that. And then I can get my pliers on there. Pink. And that's that done. That's them vents in place. Right, so we want part 60F, and we want the PS21 screw, which is right up there, I do believe, yes. So let's put my small bit on, and we'll grab that screw, our obligatory bit of oil, just like so, and then we'll grab the piece itself, which is part 60F. So grab our dashboard, like so, and it is going in here. It's got a little woodruff key on it, as you can see. It can only go in the one way, which is like so, and it's basically the ignition barrel is what we're putting in. So pop that in place like so. That's the ignition lock in. We now want part 60C, which is this, and a PS11 screw, which is that one. And we'll line you up as well. Just like so. And as you can see, that's going to sit just in there. Like so. We then want to fit the glove compartment base, part 60B, into the back of the dashboard, up under there, like that. And that is going to go in place just in there. And that is 3 PS25 screws going in there. Just like so. So let's grab the first one. Then we can grab the other two now. Like so. Grab that one there, just like that. And drop that in there. So that's them done. So that's the glove compartment base in. We're then putting in switches and cables. So the switch is going up underneath here. Right, let's grab this. Pop that in situ like that. And that's having a PS17 put behind it. So let's grab that, put that in place. Right. Now we can pop the switch in. Get that in place. Grab that. Pop that in there. Check that works. which it does. So we're happy with that. That's the switch now done. So that will sit wherever. Like that. We can then now come around the front. We can put the parking brake in. So this will slide down the way. And it basically goes through the bigger of the two holes down there. Okay. And we want it basically to go to the raised stop like that. Okay, so that's that. And then we want this little button to go in, which is the ventilation knob. And that just sits right next to the parking brake. Just there, folks, okay? So that gives us that part of the dash done. And then we can pop the glove box in as well, folks, okay? So we just grab the glove compartment like so. We'll just flick that through with the pegs. Like that. That gives us the glove compartment. We just push that in place. And that is that part of the dashboard all done and ready to go, folks. Just check your switch works, which it does. Okay, so we're going to leave it there, peeps, today. Don't forget, if you want to grab this and build along with me, follow this link all the way along here. That'll take you to the DeAgostini website, where you can take out a subscription for this wonderful Partwork, folks. Also, to help me out, if you can give Little Fester a click just down there, that helps me grow my channel by subscribing. Also, whilst you're there, give the bell a ring. That helps you get notified of upcoming content. Until then, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. See you next time. Bye-bye.